Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Tigray, and Amhara region is that viewers at this time, according to the information received from several reliable sources, it is being said that Amhara forces have regained control over important places in western Tigray. The main places Tigray Defense Force took control of 2 days ago. Those places are now under the control of Amhara forces again. These important places include Almata, Kerom, Metasibri, and Metasimri. Yes, there was no heavy fighting between Tigray Defense Force and Amhara's forces in these areas, according to several reports. While after some clashes, Tigray Defense Force soldiers have left these areas, and now these areas is again under the control of Amhara forces. And while the soldiers of Tigray Defense Force are currently on the bridge of the Kize River, which was destroyed by Amhara forces several days ago. And according to the latest report, thousands of Amhara militias are currently on the border and are waiting for an order to proceed. And at that time, several Tigray supporters are claiming that the Baitona party politician Kibrom has been arrested by the government security forces and taken to an unknown location. And it is said that when he were arrested, he were present in Addis Ababa. In addition, according to several reports, hundreds of Tigray citizens present in Addis Ababa are being arrested by government security forces, and government security forces are being said that they are Tigray People Liberation Front agents. So viewers, so far the latest update about it. Thanks for watching.